For this DIY, I'm going to take one of the large jars from the Dollar Tree and one of their party bowls, and I wanted to see if I can make a mushroom light using a solar light. For the bottom, I wanted something big and wide to make it look like a big, chunky mushroom, like almost like a Smurf house. So I'm using one of the larger jars from the Dollar Tree and just removing the tag from the bottom. That adhesive remover from the Dollar Tree actually works pretty well. And we're going to frost this. I want it to be able to light up, but I want it to have some kind of a frosting where you can't see in it. So I'm just going to use some of the Rust-Oleum spray paint and the frosted glass, and it goes on clear. Really, only one coat is all you're probably going to need. I just went in and dried mine with my heat gun, and as you can see, it frosted perfectly on the inside too, so that will be protected from the weather. For the top of the mushroom, I'm going to be using one of the party bowls from the Dollar Tree. You could do whatever color you chose. I chose a blue one. I think it's so pretty. Now it's fluted, but on the inside it's not. So I think I can still do polka dots on here by doing them on the inside. Again, the paint will be a little bit protected there as well. And I'm just using the stencil daubers from the Dollar Tree, one of the large ones, and dipping it in some white acrylic paint and doing polka dots. If you don't get a perfect spot the first time, you can always put the dauber down one more time in the same spot and fill it in a little bit. I'm just alternating up and down, going all the way around and trying to line it up with the spot that's directly across it so that it will be symmetrical and it won't run out of space when I come to the end of it right here. So just giant polka dots there on our mushroom, and that part was so easy. Since it's translucent, that it will be able to light up as well. For this solar light, I'm just using one of Dollar Tree's solar lights. I'm going to go ahead and add it to the top. I'm going to go ahead and take the little lamp off of it. That way it will light up the entire mushroom. And I'm just going to attach mine with hot glue. I've had luck with hot glue in my outdoor solar lights. You could always use a stronger glue like E6000 or something like that if you wanted. And I just put that in the center, and then we can sit this on top of the jar like that. Now, I don't want it falling apart because this is definitely going outside of my landscaping. So I'm going to add hot glue here all along the rim of the jar. And then I'm going to add the mushroom cap on top of it like this. Now you could flip it over and have the bottom of it be open, but I wanted the bottom of mine to be closed and everything to be closed on this project, so I think that's a great way to seal it. This is how it turned out, our giant mushroom. This was really easy to do, and I think it's gonna look so cute out in my landscaping with my fairy gardens and all the fun stuff that we've DIY'd here on my channel. I like the fact that I frosted the jar below. I really think that gives a nice effect. And it's still gonna light up at night when I go to light it up. See that cool glow that it gives with the frosted glass?